Hello, my name is Fana Soro and I am a math artist. The program I offer with math is drumming workshop and dance workshop and also performance. The drumming workshop, they will learn more about technical and also have fun. They definitely will be learning more about Africa in general, because what we see on TV and what I will show will be different. Is learning from each other, is to have fun with each other and play, be comfortable to continue with life, no stress. For me, when I see the new generation, I'm so happy to share that energy and that dynamic and to welcome them to Africa, learning and be unique themselves. Anytime you've been there, they say, oh, you're from Africa. Wow, I didn't know we have this fun in Africa. Oh, tomorrow I would like to go to visit Africa. That drove me so happy to see the feedback for my work.